How to enable or disable push calendar fetch new data on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we tap on settings. Then in the settings page, scroll down and then tap on apps. Next, go down and then tap on calendar and then tap on calendar accounts. From here, tap on fetch new data. At the top here, you can tap on the push button to enable or disable push calendar fetch new data. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.